Greetings, this is Trademark Attorney Josh Gerben. You're watching this video because you've just received an email from us that it's time to prove the use of your trademark. The good news is the U.S. government has approved your application for registration. This means everything's been reviewed and been approved, and the last thing we need to do is prove that you've started to offer your goods or services. This is a really important requirement because the U.S. government does not grant trademark registrations unless the trademark is being used to sell goods or services. The reason for this is they don't want to allow someone to sit there and register thousands and thousands of trademarks and hold everybody else up from using words and using different marks, and sort of do like a poaching thing like people do with domain names. So what we have to do now is we have to prove that you're actually offering your goods or services. So there are two things we need to do this. The first is we're going to need proof of your product or service offering. And the second is we're going to need a sworn statement that you're actually offering the goods or services. So the first one depends on whether or not you're offering a good or a service. If you're offering goods like t-shirts, or you're offering sunglasses or any other type of product, sporting goods, whatever it may be, we'll need a photograph of the product in packaging or with tags attached to the product that show the trademark. The trademark cannot just appear on the product, across the chest of a t-shirt, or on the product itself. It has to appear on packaging for the product. So all you need to do is take a photograph of your product with the packaging or tagging and send it over to me, and we'll make sure that we get it formatted right for the U.S. government. If you're offering a service, we'll need a website or a flyer or brochure that advertises your service. So you can just send us the URL of your website that you may be offering the service through, or a flyer or an advertisement that discusses the service offering. The second thing we need is your sworn statement that the goods and services are actually being offered and sold to consumers. So you need to have your business operational. You need to have people on your website using the website. You need to have sales of your goods occurring. It doesn't have to be a lot, but it does have to be more than just to family members or friends. So if this is not happening yet, you can file an extension to this requirement and email us, and we'll talk about what the extension requirement is and the associated cost. So again, we're looking for two things here. One, we're looking for proof that the product or service offering is being offered. And the second is we need your sworn statement that yes, you've actually got sales of your goods or services to consumers. Again, not family members or friends, but actual people that you're working with. And once we have those two things, we can file your proof of use and get your trademark registration finalized.